Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy Everyday English. I'm your teacher, Miss Emmy. Today's letter is B, the second letter of the alphabet. We'll learn how to say it, explore some easy words that start with B, and use them in simple sentences. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can follow along with our alphabet series and don't miss out on other lessons. And check out the links in the bio for more tools to help you learn faster. Let's get started. The letter B makes the sound B, like in ball. Can you say it with me? B, B, ball. B, B, ball. This sound can be difficult for non-native English speakers to pronounce and distinguish from the letter P. But don't worry, we'll go over some ways and helpful tips in another lesson, so stay tuned. Let's learn some easy B words. Ball. I play with a ball. Boy. The boy is running. Bag. She has a pink bag. Bird. A bird is in the tree. Book. This book is very good. Repeat after me. Ball. Boy. Bag. Bird. Book. Let's keep going with B word practice. Baby. The baby is sleeping. Bread. I eat bread for breakfast. Bus. The bus is yellow. Box. The toy is in the box. Bee. The bee is buzzing. Now repeat after me. Baby. Bread. Bus. Box. Bee. Now let's use those words in simple sentences. Say them with me. The boy has a ball. I see a bird in the sky. She put her book in her bag. The bus is big and blue. The bee is flying near the box. Now it's your turn. I'll show you a word and you say it out loud. Ball. Ball. Bus. Bus. Baby. Baby. Bread. Bread. Bird. Bird. Can you make a sentence with a B word? Try it now and say it out loud. What was your sentence? Comment it down below so we can see what everyone came up with. Today we learned the letter B, its sound, 10 plus new words, and full sentences. Keep practicing your B words every day. Remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. And check out the helpful learning tools and fun resources in the bio. Thanks for watching. See you soon.